Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Genesis AZUKAL Servania, magbabalik na. Lalaban ngayong linggo sa undercard ng labang Moloni versus Franco. Makakaharap niya ang undefeated, matibay at magaling din na si Andres Cortes para sa isang 8 rounds non-title fight. May record itong si Andres Cortes na 14 wins, 0 loss, 7 via knockout, habang si Servania ay may kartada na 34 wins, 2 losses, 16 via KO. Singtangkad lang ang dalawa at parehong orthodox ang style nila. Huling laban nitong si Andres Cortes ay noong May 2021 lang, habang si Servania ay noong December 2019 pa. Halos 2 taong inactive o walang laban. Dating alaga din ni Floyd Mayweather itong si Andres Cortes mga pre. Ayon sa isang artikulo ay nadiskubre umano itong si Cortes noong nag-sparring sila ni Tank Davis para sa paghahanda sa isang world title noong taong 2016. Pinahirapan umano ni Cortes itong si Davis sa sparring, kaya nakitaan ng potensyal ni Floyd Mayweather. Unang laban ni Cortes under kay Mayweather ay noong December 2016 kontra kay Miguel Espinoza at lopsided unanimous decision ang naging resulta. 8 sunod-sunod na panalo pa ang nakuha niya at 5 dito via KO under kay Mayweather Promotion. Pero noong taong 2020, lumipat ng promotion si Andres Cortes at pumunta sa promotion ni Bob Arum ng Top Rank Promotion. Ayon pa kay Cortes ay wala naman daw naging problema sa dati niyang promotion. Mutual decision daw ang nangyari dahil sa gusto na daw niya ng malaking laban. Handa na daw siya at naniniwala siya na si Bob Arum lang ang makapagbigay nito sa kanya. Unang laban niya under top rank ay noong July 2020 kontra sa knockout artist na si Alejandro Salinas sa isang 8 rounds na laban. Natumba si Cortes sa 4th round pero bumangon at nanalo pa via unanimous decision. Maraming mga boxing fans naman ang umalma sa naging desisyon ng laban nila. Robbery umano ang nangyari. Talo daw dapat si Cortes kaso pinoprotektahan umano ang undefeated record nito. Sa laban nila ni Genesis Servania ngayong linggo, ito na ba ang oras na mamantsahan ang malinis niyang listahan? O baka maisahan lang ang ating kababayan, lalo na top rank promotion ang laban? Halos 2 taon din walang laban itong si Servania, pero siguradong andyan pa rin ang tibay nito, lalo na ang stamina. Basta taga Negros, di basta-basta. Baka ito na rin ang susi para makalaban ulit siya para sa isang kampyonato at makuha na niya sa wakas ang inaasam-asam na pandaigdigang titulo. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Sabay nating balikan at panoorin ang naging medyo controversial na laban ni Andres Cortes kontra sa knockout artist na si Alejandro Salinas.
Check yourself at all times. Let's go.
You know, Cortes, when I watched him on film, he reminded me of like a little Brandon Rios.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay.
Good airball. Good.
There you go, again right there. He wanted to get payback on Salinas.
Yeah, Andres Cortes is a better boxer than he is a fighter. And Alejandro Salinas is a...
Get in. There's power with that right hand. Can KO anybody from 130 to 140.
Good counter. Good counter, boy. Good beat. Good counter.
just...
Beautiful counter.
Salinas landing a right hand that buzzed Cortes. Look at his feet. Look at his eyes.
Yeah, I think Cortes closed that round. Cortes needs to believe in his boxing back against the rope like that this early. He needs to box early, sneak. Both fighters are young and
I don't want to do that. I like to mix it up. I want to bang with...
Good shot, boy. Good counter.
I got to learn every aspect of the game, so that way you can go.
There's a right hand to the body, and you can hear Luis Cortez's brother
we
encourage.
talked about these fighters wanting to fight more than boxing. Good combination, but then you see the
Arguably the best cut man in the world.
Or straight.
Biggs told me, look, it's about an inch big, but it's very deep, but it's under control. It's what we do. And just a reminder, the only other time Andres Cortes he's cut in action.
place for him, but that's the only time Salinas wakes up. We're going to see a real war. He's got to back that up and step it up in certain spots like right here.
Being on the ropes is a horrible face.
Good kick. Good.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Oh! That's a knockdown scored by Salinas.
4, 5.
Legs buckled, undefeated. Andres Cortes hurt here in round 4.
Don't hit it against a guy like Salinas. Got hit with an overhand right in a 50-50 exchange.
12-0 Cortes.
Salinas doesn't have the legs to deal with Cortes in the center of the ring.
They ain't going there.
Right hand from Cortes. And then right back at it is Salinas.
Keep working on that. There you go.
In his left hand. Incoming from the right hand from Salinas again. Keep the left hand up.
Go right hand. Beautiful.
Salinas scored a knockdown in the final 15 seconds of round is logged for Salinas.
Raul Rivas said, look, we've got to...
Cortes just made. He's starting to move to his own right to avoid the right hand of Salinas. And he's having a lot of success doing so. Look at that right hand again from Cortes. But he beat
Half of that right hand that buckled him and put him down in the 4th round. Now digs to the body.
and he stands and tests the adjustment.
Well, Cortes is boxing. I think this is what he should have did from the beginning, and then he could have fought later on down the road when some of the steam early, but now he's boxing late and is paying dividends.
Hard leather in there, man. They throw some hard punches.
Just keeping Salinas in his last fight, 2 knockdowns and lost a fight. Now he's got 1 knockdown tonight, and who knows as Andres Cortes comes in at 12.
Fight smart now. Made the proper adjustments, and now he's out.
Don't punch, don't punch.
Salinas said
He's waiting and waiting. He's getting right in front of Cortes. All he got to do.
that's where Salinas needs to go. He's hesitating still. He's got to let his hands go.
Stop.
We've already said that Salinas is the guy coming off the loss. Cortes is the undefeated guy, the A-side guy. He came up with Mayweather in the amateurs. And maybe what we've seen in the back half of this fight, the way he is
In the amateurs, when this young man in front of us, Andres Cortes,
Well, he got to teach it.
It'll be a good learning experience for him. He talked about how know who you are as a fighter. You got to play to your skill set. He has to learn to do.
Cortes and not working his hands.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.